Are you looking for a reliable solar street light? Here, AGC provides complete series to suit your all-size projects. The wattage ranges from 10 to 100 watts. To ensure competitive price, we use high luminous Efficacy electric, which is more than 200 lumen per wattage, so that we can use low LED power to get the same brightness. It is all-in-one design integrated with a built-in ST44 battery, MPPT controller, and PIR sensor. So it has lighter weight and easy to install. With more than 21% conversion efficiency solar panel, it ensures faster charging and backup for 3 days. The MPPT controller is the brain of solar light systems. It has overcharging, over-discharging, overload, and short-circuit protection. It improves the solar light system's efficiency and lifespan as possible. It should be noted that ST50 has a large chamber to meet your battery DIY demand. Also, the interface for each part is very easy to connect, saving your maintenance cost. Our solar street light is perfect for villages, parking lots, squares, roadways, remote areas like mine sites, mountains, etc. Talk to AGC today for solar street light design or recommendations for your project. Welcome to subscribe to our channel to get more pro tips about solar lights.